Today, I'm sharing an easy do-it-yourself project. I will install a cover on top of the existing ceiling vent in our RV. The goal here is to keep water out of the bathroom if we choose to open the vent during a rainy day. And as a bonus, if I ever forget to close the ceiling vent on a travel day, that little vent cover isn't going to get damaged flopping around in the highway wind. So let's get started. I chose this cover from RV Pro. They sell it in either white or black. I chose white because it matches everything else that's on my roof. And I don't want a black cover absorbing a whole bunch of the sun's heat during the summer season. This affordable cover is quite a nice kit. It comes with an insect screen and with a complete stainless steel set of required mounting hardware. The brackets are simple but smart. No drilling into the roof is required, so there will be no new holes where a water leak could occur. Only a few tools will be needed for the job. Common tools that most of us already have on hand. I will start by drawing lines on the roof where the new cover will sit, making sure that I center it above the existing vent. Now the existing vent will no longer open all the way. The new cover prevents that. But this is not an issue. The amount of airflow is not decreased. Just verify one last time that it really is centered. Now I trace onto the roof each mounting slot's location. This allows me to locate each of the 4 steel brackets into position and transfer the small hole horizontally and locate it into the frame of the existing roof vent. As you can see, this cover comes with 2 mounting slots in each corner to allow a little flexibility in how it's mounted. I'm choosing to use the outer slots to keep the plastic cover as rigid as possible. Just as long as those metal slots on the brackets line up with the slots I drew with pencil on the roof, we're golden. Now drill a 3/16 diameter hole for each bracket, 1 hole in each corner, and screw the brackets to the frame. It's important at this point to slide the carriage bolts into position before the brackets are mounted. Don't ask me how I learned this. Be sure that the insect screen is snapped into position. It clips in there very nicely and I don't expect it to ever fall out of place. If all went as planned, the new cover will drop down onto the 4 carriage bolts now. Note that sealant is not to be added around the base of this new cover. If a little water gets in there, it should not accumulate. We leave the gap around the bottom and allow the water to shed away down the roof. Just put the washers and nuts into place and the job is done. Enough, come on down. The job's done. Oh, and there's a new video every week. Subscribe to the channel. Looking forward to seeing you on the road.